guys! It's me, Avi! I'm going to work na. So, I need to walk like 5 minutes. Go to the gym. And then, again, when I get to the terminal, then I need to walk again. Go to the office. Here. Let me... Here, I walk until there. Walking like 5 minutes. Yeah. Ano lang, maglalakad tayo. 5 minuto pero lang ha. Kero boom boom. So yun, nandito na ako, nag-aabang ng jeep. Wala pa naman. Nakabang, hindi jeep pa. Jeep tayo guys. Wala pa. Ayan. Waiting for the jeep. So ayan na. Para po. Here. Let's go. Bayad po. Sukli daw po. So, isa lang. Now. Again. Another like 15 minutes walking. 15 minutes walking. Yeah. Another 15 minutes walking before I get into work. My workplace. It's like exercise in the afternoon. It's hot. Look. It's really hot. I want bread. I'm going to buy bread. Bread for my merienda. I like bread. Yes, from here. I like bread. I like bread so much. She bought a lot of bread. Banana bread. Ito po. Magkano po? Ano po? 6. I like this one. po. Still got change. Thank you. Then walk again. Walk until I get there. Malayo pa na nakari. Malayo. As in, malayo yung lalakarin talaga.
How many bucks?
Almost there, almost there. Almost there. Almost. I'm here na. My God, ano na. Petsa na. Oh my God, it's locked. So I'm here. So I'm here, guys. So ayun. Nasa office na tayo, guys. So, this is my bread for merienda. I'm gonna eat it later. And waiting for my office mate. So, guys, that's it for now. I am going to work. Bye, everybody!